Hey, thanks for stopping by the MailChimp section of our process. We are going to talk to you about MailChimp and how you can capture contacts who are coming to your webpage. MailChimp is a free service. They will allow you to manage up to 2,000 subscribers and send 12,000 emails a month. It's very simple. It's very easy to use. The very first thing I'm going to want you to do is like MailChimp, like Twitter, like Facebook, have application programming interface keys, API keys, and other identifiers that are encrypted or in an algorithm to where it knows you. It knows your list. It knows your Twitter. It knows your Facebook page. What we're talking about right now is MailChimp and how you can get subscribers and be interactive with the people interested in your website, whether it's your product or your event. First thing you want to do is you want to sign up for free. You want to put your email address in here. This is the email that MailChimp is going to send an email to you so that you can activate your MailChimp account. Once you get this in your username and password and create your account, you get your activation. And when you come back to MailChimp, to log in, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see your dashboard, how you can manage email campaigns, your email campaign templates, your list. The first thing that we want to do is create a list so we can get the list ID that's going to go coincide with your website. So you click create a list. You have no list to begin with, so we're going to create a list on the top right side. You're going to call that list I just happen to know a guy who has tire dressing. So we're just going to put in his product. The default from address, this is where the email is coming from. You want to put a name here. We usually put Team Cre8. This box, you want to remind people of how they got on your list. You're going to put in here that they requested information about tire dressing. Oops. And because you are awesome. Okay. Oops, got a typo. Okay, so notifications, I'm going to select daily summary. One by one is that you'll get a subscription every time someone signs up on your website. This may be something that you want to do if you are hosting an event and you want to get a count or a pulse on what's happening as far as your website blitz go and your email campaigns. Then you also have the one by one, and you can actually check them all if you like, but we're just going to check daily summary. You're going to save this, and then what's going to happen is you have your list, tire dressing. We have no subscribers yet. No one's come to our website. So anyway, because we got to set the rest of this up, click on settings, list name and defaults. Here's your list name, and here is your list ID. This is the information I'm going to need for you to put into Dropbox, and Dropbox is our next section. We're going to go through that and show you how to upload photos, videos, and content to our structured process folders. You'll see that when we start talking about Dropbox in our next video. So here's the list ID I'm going to need here. To get the application programming ID, the API key, you want to come over to the left side and click on your name, and then you want to click on account. Under account, you're going to mouse over the extras link here, and you're going to click on API keys. Your API keys are listed below, but what I'm going to want you to do is go ahead and create a new key. And here's your key. Right here, we've created this key at this time, October 20th. And we want to set a label. and you're just going to come over and click on the API key. That'll save your information under label. As you can see, it's not going to let you edit this field. It's going to highlight it all by default. You want to right click on that and copy that and put it with the list key on a document or a notepad, and you're going to put it in your Dropbox, and we're going to go talk about setting up your Dropbox next. This is how we're going to communicate, and I believe you're going to find it so easy when I explain it to you how we have that worked out for you. Anyway, see you in Dropbox.